Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and thank you for grabbing the LSP Bokeh Heart Overlays freebie on the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Yay! So I'm going to give you a super quick demonstration of how to use these. First of all, you need to download from the link in your email. If you can't find the link in your email, please run a search of hello@lspactions.com. Next up, you need to download using the link and you'll get the LSP Bokeh Hearts Overlays freebie and this video. This is a zip file downloaded, which means if you're on Windows, you need to right click this and choose Extract All and choose OK. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Archive utility. If you have any problems unzipping, simply go onto Google, search your operating system, followed by how to unzip a file, and you'll find out how. Inside you have a small instruction text, which tells you exactly what to do if you need a reminder. And you have the 3 heart overlay layers. You have Flutter, Golden, and the real lens hearts. This was, I took this by creating a bokeh cutout with my lens. So all you need to do is open up Photoshop. This can work with whatever version of Photoshop you have. Open up the image you want to use. Darker backgrounds are better. These won't really show on white, so you want to use a darker, richer toned background. You can either drag and drop the heart onto your image, like this, and resize to fit. Or you can come up to File, Place Embedded, locate the heart files on your computer, make sure you've unzipped them first, otherwise Photoshop will not be able to read it, it won't know what to do, it will have a panic. Make sure you've unzipped them separately first and locate the unzipped files, and choose Place, the same thing will happen. So you'll notice the heart overlays are covering up with your image. You need to have your Layers panel open. If you can't see your Layers panel, come up here to Window and choose Layers, just to make sure you can see your background layer and the heart overlay over the top. Select the heart overlay, and here, when there's a little box where it says Normal, this is the blend mode. Choose Screen from the drop down, and it will show over your subject. Let me turn this on or off to show you before and after there. If you want to take some of this off your subject, come down here to the bottom of your Layers panel. You'll see a little box with a circle in it. Looks a little bit like the Japanese flag. This creates a layer mask. So click this and you'll see a white box appear attached onto the heart overlay. Grab your brush. Make sure it's set to black because black hides, white shows. I use 100% opacity. You can go down, change the flow to whatever you need. Right click to change your brush settings. I'd make sure it's a nice soft round brush, and you can just paint this away from the subject. If you want to paint it on anyway, you can simply switch your brush back to white and paint it on to show. If you want to change the colour of the hearts, make sure you've selected the heart layer. Next to your layer mask down here, you have the little circle, half and half. Click on this, choose Hue and Saturation. This will appear above your heart layer, but if you change this, it will change the whole image. That looks rubbish. So what you need to do is right click the Hue and Saturation and choose Create Clipping Mask, and that makes sure it will clip it onto the heart layer, and any changes will only affect the hearts. You can simply drag this and change the colour. Again, because it's a layer mask, you can use black to hide and white to show, so you could add different colours in if you want to, doing it that way. Let's do one more. So I'm going to use the File Place Embedded option here. Make sure you've unzipped, so don't use the zip file, Photoshop won't know what to do. And let's use the Flutter overlay here. Hit Place. Resize as needed to cover your image. Change the blend mode to Screen and hit Enter. Exactly the same again, come down here to add the layer mask. Grab your brush on black and paint this off the faces or anywhere you don't want it to show. And again, you can change the colour if you want to, you can blur them, you can change the opacity up here. You can do whatever you want to do with these. So I can't wait to see what you can create with these, and please make sure you post in the LSP Actions Facebook group. That's www.facebook.com/groups/Lemon Sky Actions. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.